What's up, guys? This is D Car Tracker here, and today we are changing the wiper in the Maserati. Obviously, these are like the very, best engineering version of the wiper because it's easy to take off and it's easy to install. But the other thing that you have to think about, if you go to Maserati and trying to buy these wipers here, they're gonna cost you a ton of money. But it doesn't mean that if you buy it from another store, it's not going to cost you a lot of money, but it's just going to be just a little bit less expensive. But anyway, so I've had these wipers in the car for a long time, so I'm getting ready to change them. So I did go ahead and purchase the Tritan. So this is the only other model that will fit in the Maserati. So maybe Advanced Auto Part or AutoZone may have a different version of it, but I went to O'Reilly and this is what I got. And obviously there's two versions of it. There's a very short one, which is on the passenger side, and the long one on the driver's side. So together, they'll cost you roughly about $50. 50 or 60, depends on where or what state you're from. Anyway, let's get started. So to take it off, as you can see here, mine is already messed up. To take it up, there's a little button right on top of the clipper. You press it, and then you pull, and that will take off your old wiper. As you can see, this thing is just no good. I definitely have to replace it. But anyway, the one that I bought comes with two clips. So this clip it's for like a regular, let's say like a Honda Civic, whatever, because those one you just slide them in and then you pull back, then it locks with this handle here. But since it's a Maserati, then they have a different clip for it. So the way you do that, first thing first, what I did, I just go ahead and you just take it and move it sideways like this, 45-degree angle. So that way this groove over here come, just go straight through a hole there. So 45-degree right there, and then you press it down. You should hear it clip. Then from there, what you do, you just take it and slide it in there. Here we go. So it's not like the best fit ever, but it will hold it for the time being. So right now, so we just got the first one replaced and we got an additional clip. So I wish it was just like this one, which is pretty easy. So you just slide it and then clip. But this one is the same concept too, but it's just not as tight, I guess. The clip that goes in the Maserati. Just move it a little closer for you guys to see. All right, because this button here, that's what's gonna latch it onto the original part. So first thing first, we're gonna take off this one, just pulling this clip here and there. Now that comes off, and now we're just gonna do this 45-degree angle, put it down, press, and then snap. So now we're ready to put it on the other side. All right, same concept. You press that little button here right on top there. So that's what's gonna release it. Then you slide it up. And now we're ready to put the new one. So just lift it up a little bit. So that way you can slide it in the hole. There we go. That's it. Alright, so it can come off. So now we got new wipers in the Maserati. And guys, this is really how simple it was. If you ever want to know which version did I use, so it's this one here. It's Tritan. So that's the one that I use. And it's got like a all-weather thing on there. It's good for heavy sun. I guess that's snowflakes. I don't think it's gonna work for snow, because snow is what's gonna make it rip off, just like this one here. Or if you have ice frost on your windshield, so this can happen and cause this to rip off just like this one does. All right, so then again, guys, thank you again for watching, and we have a lot of cool video coming out, and we hope for you guys to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and post your comment as you see fit. And thank you again for watching. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. Peace.